I'm gonna open up. This is how I got my artwork in Photoshop. So I'm gonna recreate this cover. So I'm gonna go to File. I'm gonna go to Open. So when I go to File and Open, I'm gonna look for this folder that says Book Project 3-18-11. So I'm gonna go to the Puppies in Space Puppy Story template. I'm gonna get the cover page. It's gonna be blank, right? So while I have this artwork here, I'm gonna get my magic wand. I'm gonna get my magic wand, fourth tool down, and I'm gonna select the white area of the background here, okay? I've already got my image for the background, so I'm just gonna kind of recreate it. I'm gonna paste that background image into here. So I'm gonna go to File, I'm gonna go to Open, and I'm gonna go to my desktop where I have a background that I wanna use of outer space, right? Select Open. I got the picture here. I'm gonna go to get my Move tool. Select the picture by going Command A, then go to Edit. I'm gonna copy it, right? I've selected it, copied it. Now I'm going back to my template, and remember I selected these two fields where I want to put the picture of the background into this area. So I simply next go to Edit, look for the word Paste Special, and then I select Paste Into. It's gonna give me this message that's just telling me that that picture should be okay to go in there. I hit OK, picture is here. If I need to resize it, I'll move it accordingly here. If I left this space here and I want to fill that up, I go to Edit, Transform, Scale, and then I stretch it to make it fit. When I got everything in place, I hit Return. Questions on that? No? Okay. My next step now, I'm going to get the astronaut suit. Again, of course, you got to create your own image, right? So I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to go to Place, right? So I have a picture of an astronaut. Let's see. Well, let me do something different. I'm going to put the spaceship instead. Okay. So I got a picture of the spaceship. I'm placing this picture of the spaceship here. Okay. I'm going to hit Return, get my eraser tool. I'm going to rasterize the shape, right? And I'm going to erase all that other stuff I don't need. So like all this white area, if I get my wand and select it, I got rid of it, right? So I got rid of it, got rid of it, got rid of it, okay? Command D takes that off. I'm going to paste a picture of a puppy in there. So I'm going to go now, open up a picture of a puppy. Maybe I get just this one, right? Same thing. Command A, copy it, Command C. I go back to the cover. I'm going to select this area here. Then I'm going to go to Edit, Paste Special, Paste Into. Now the picture is really big, so now I'm going to have to go to Edit, Transform, and Scale. Because I have to make that picture smaller so that we can see the puppy's face. Okay? And if I want to rotate it, I could select Transform, Edit, Transform, and Rotate, and then I could rotate it so that you could see his face in the window. I hit Return. If I like how I got this here, so I could fill up these other spaces, I would select it, but I have to remember I have to be on that layer, right? So I would select the area, hold down my shift, select the area, right? And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to duplicate this one. All right. Now, let me see if this works. I'm gonna take my move tool and I'm gonna take that second one. Oops, didn't work. Okay. So I'm gonna take this second one. And I'm gonna do another trick. I'm gonna turn these off real quick. Let me go back. Sorry. I have to put the file on your account. So hold on. So I'm gonna take this layer for a minute, and I'm gonna send that to a new document, right? And then I'm gonna save this. Reason why I'm doing this that way is because I wanna place that image into those other fields. Okay. So going back to my cover now. I'm going to select, I'm on the spaceship layer. I'm going to select that shape. I'm going to go back to Puppies 2. All right. I'm going to select it by getting my move tool. Command A. Command C, I copied it. And then I'm going here, and then I'm going to select Paste Special, Paste into. And then I move it down. So then I have the next puppy looking out. I go back to that spaceship layer. Wand, select that area. Paste, edit, paste, special, paste into. Get the move tool, drag that in there. All right, so now I got 3 puppies in space. Now the only thing left I have to do is add my title. Get the T tool. I have to be on the background layer. Type in my name. Get the move tool. Got that in place. Now the last thing I want to do, maybe I want to add a little color to the words. I get my wand. If I go Command plus, it makes it bigger. Holding my Shift key, I select the letters up, but I wasn't on the background layer. So remember to be on the background layer. All right. Hold down my Shift, select the words. I'm selecting the characters of the letters. I just click it inside the area. Then I go to Edit, Fill. Fill it with a color. Make it blue. I'll hit OK. And then Command D takes the marching ants off. Okay. My last step is to go to File, Save As. And then I'm going to save it with my initials. And hit Save. I save it as a Photoshop file, and then I also save it as a JPEG. And then that's my cover page. Then I continue to do the other parts of the presentation.